Visual. Messy bedroom wardrobe. Right pointing arrow. Luxury walk-in closet transformation. Your bedroom wardrobe might be wasting a lot of space and making your entire room look cluttered and outdated. Most people don't realize that wardrobe design alone can completely change the look of a bedroom. But in 2026, modern interior design is focusing on smart storage, minimal aesthetics, and luxury organization systems. In this video, you'll discover the best bedroom wardrobe design ideas that can transform even a small bedroom into a premium, modern, and highly organized space. Watch until the end because the last idea will completely change how you think about storage. Intro. Modern design shift. Clapperboard. Visual. Modern bedroom, clean wardrobe designs, soft lighting. Modern wardrobe design is no longer just about storing clothes. It is about style, functionality, space optimization, and luxury aesthetics. In 2026, people want wardrobes that look like part of interior design, not just storage boxes. So let's explore the most powerful wardrobe ideas you can use. Idea 1. Sliding door wardrobes. Clapperboard. Visual. Sliding modern wardrobe system. Sliding door wardrobes are one of the best solutions for small bedrooms. Because they don't require extra space to open, they make the room feel larger and more functional. They also give a smooth, modern, and luxury appearance. Perfect for apartments and compact homes. Idea 2. Walk-in closet. Clapperboard. Visual. Luxury walk-in closet with LED lighting. If you want a luxury hotel-style bedroom, a walk-in closet is the ultimate upgrade. It separates storage from sleeping space and creates a premium lifestyle feel. Even a small walk-in setup can completely transform your bedroom experience. Idea 3. Mirror wardrobes. Clapperboard. Visual. Mirrored closet reflecting room. Mirror wardrobes are a smart design trick. They reflect light and visually double the space in your bedroom. This makes even small rooms feel bright, open, and expensive. It is one of the easiest luxury upgrades. Idea 4. Built-in wardrobes. Clapperboard. Visual. Seamless wall wardrobe design. Built-in wardrobes create a clean wall-to-wall design. There are no gaps, no clutter, and no visual noise. This gives a premium, minimalist look that is trending in modern interior design. It feels custom-made and expensive. Idea 5. Open LED wardrobes. Clapperboard. Visual. Open wardrobe with LED lights. Open closet systems with LED lighting are becoming very popular. They turn your wardrobe into a display space. Everything looks organized, aesthetic, and visually appealing. Lighting plays a huge role in luxury design. Idea 6. Modular storage. Clapperboard. Visual. Organized modular compartments. Modular storage systems help you divide clothes, accessories, and essentials properly. Everything has its own space. This reduces clutter and improves daily usability. A clean wardrobe always looks more expensive. Idea 7. Wood and premium finishes. Clapperboard. Visual. Walnut wood, oak textures wardrobe. Wood textures like walnut and oak bring warmth and luxury into your bedroom. They make the space feel natural, cozy, and high-end. This is a key trend in 2026 interior design. Idea 8. White glossy design. Clapperboard. Visual. Glossy white modern wardrobe. White glossy wardrobes create a clean, modern aesthetic. They reflect light and make the room feel bigger and brighter. Perfect for minimalist luxury bedrooms. Idea 9. Smart organization. Clapperboard. Visual. Folded clothes, organized drawers. Smart organization is the key to maintaining a luxury look. Using hidden drawers, fold systems, and categorized storage makes everything look clean. Luxury is actually about organization, not quantity. Final transformation. Clapperboard. Visual. Final luxury bedroom cinematic shot. So these were the best bedroom wardrobe design ideas for 2026. From sliding doors to walk-in closets and smart storage systems, each idea helps you create a more modern, premium, and organized bedroom. Remember, a luxury bedroom is not about expensive furniture, It is about smart design and clean organization.